What's up, everyone? If you've ever measured, marked, or built anything, you know how handy a solid speed square is. Today, I'm sharing 5 top picks that really stand out. 1. Swanson Speed Square. It's made from durable die-cast aluminum, feels great in your hand, and has deep, accurate scribe marks that make layout work easy. It also comes with a handy blue instruction book, perfect for beginners or team training. 2nd Empire True Blue Rafter Square. Known for its high-visibility true blue finish and laser-etched markings, this square is great in any lighting condition. The markings don't fade, and the tool itself is rugged, reliable, and ideal for professionals who demand long-term accuracy. 3. Milwaukee Rafter Square. Built tough like the rest of Milwaukee's lineup, this one's packed with smart features like pipe notches and extra scribe lines. It's a durable worksite-ready tool that's made for speed and precision when you're on the job. 4th Capro Ledge Square. This square includes a clever retractable ledge that allows for hands-free marking. That small innovation speeds up layout work and boosts accuracy, especially on repeat measurements. It's a solid choice for those who value smart design. 5. DEWALT Rafter Square. DEWALT keeps it clean and simple. Made from extruded aluminum, it delivers excellent straightness, precise markings, and all-around dependable performance. It's a solid pick for pros who want something that just works. That's it for the top 5 speed squares. Pick the one that fits your workflow, give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more tool tips. See you in the next one.